Hi friends, I'm Lilo, and today we're gonna do a busy bee morning yoga. Let's
Today
go!
we are going to pretend to be bees. Are we ready? Let's do this. Little bee wakes up in the morning and it gives its body a little shake. Everybody, shake your bodies. You're going to take a deep breath in, hands up high to the sky. You're going to say, hello, sun. I'm going to go down to the ground. Hello, earth. I'm going to take one like that. I'm going to come up. And little bees are getting ready to fly out of the beehive. Are we ready? Let's fly out of the beehive. Let's fly all over the garden looking for the right flower. And when we find it, we're going to sit on a flower and we're going to collect pollen from it. Everybody take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. And then we come back up and we're going to get ready to fly back to our beehives. Everyone flying back to our beehives. And we spot our beehive. Everybody show me beehive pose. Good. And our beehives are hanging from a big, strong tree. Little bee goes into the beehive and it shakes the pollen off its body. Everybody shake the pollen off your body. And it gets ready to start all over again. Can you go quicker this time? Let's try. Little bee takes a deep breath in through your nose. Hands up high to the sky. Hello, sun. And we're gonna go down to the ground. Hello, bird. And we're gonna step one leg back and we're gonna get ready to fly out of the beehives. Are we ready? Let's do this. All the little bees flying all over the garden looking for the right flower. And when we find it, we sit on our flowers, we collect the pollen, we rise up, and we fly back to our beehive that is hanging from a big, tall, strong tree. And when we go into the beehive, we shake our pollen off. And the bee is so tired from all the work it's done all day. Bees come down, we say crisscross applesauce. We put one hand on our heart and one hand on our bellies. And we take a deep breath in through our nose and out through our mouth. Friends, do you want to know a little secret? Do you want to know how to say bee in Spanish? It's abeja. Can you repeat after me? Abeja. Yes. Abeja means bee in Spanish. See you next time.